Hi. Here we will learn about if-else statements in Java. If-else statements are control flow statements, and they are often used in conditional branching. If-else statements start with keyword if. Next, we have condition to check within parentheses. If condition in if statement is true, then program will enter if block. If condition fails, then we have else part executed. In this unit, we will work out an example using if-else statements with relational and logical operators. Here we have operators like greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, as relational operators. These relational operators are helpful to compare values in variables. Now, let's start a new Java program. Create a class if-else. Declare variables num1 and num2 of type integer inside main method. Next, initialize value 10 for both num1 and num2. In this program, we will place a chain of if-else statements. These type of if-else statements are also known as nested if-else. First, place condition to check if num1 is greater than num2. If condition turns true, we have print line statement num1 is greater executed. Next, check if num2 is greater than num1. Place this condition in an else if statement. Now, what if both variables num1 and num2 are equal? Place else if to check if num1 is equal to num2. Also, check if num1 not equal to num2. We have exclamation symbol, which represents logical complement operator. Let's move on to next, else if block. Here, check if num1 is less than or equal to num2. Also, check if num1 is greater than or equal to num2. Next, we have two conditions within else if statement. First, check if num1 is 10. Second, check if num2 is 20. If both conditions are true, program will enter else if. If any one condition turns false, program will skip the block. Here, we have used double ampersand symbol. Double ampersand symbol denotes conditional end operator. Next, use conditional or operator. Check if num1 is equal to 10. Also, check if num2 is equal to 20. If any one condition stands true, program will enter else if block. Finally, we have else statement. If no conditions stated above are satisfied, program will execute statements in our else block. Next, compile and run program. Thus we have results for our nested if-else example. In our nested if-else statements, once program finds a true condition, It executes statements within that particular block, and program will exit entire nested if-else. Remember, we can even use if statements alone, without using else statement. Hope you liked example on if-else statements. Thank you for taking this unit.